In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a calendar in Google Calendar. Maybe you created a test calendar, or you no longer need a project calendar that's cluttering up your view. Whatever the reason, permanently removing a calendar is quick and easy once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the exact clicks so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. On the main calendar page, look to the left-hand side where your list of calendars appears. You'll see sections like My Calendars and Other Calendars, each with the calendars you have access to. Find the specific calendar you want to delete in that list. Move your mouse over its name, and you should see 3 small vertical dots appear next to it. These dots open a menu with more options for that calendar. Click on the 3 dots. After clicking the 3 dots, a small menu will pop up with different choices for that particular calendar. From this menu, choose Settings and Sharing. This will take you to a dedicated settings page just for that calendar, not your entire Google Calendar account. This is where Google keeps all the important options, like permissions, notifications, and in this case, the delete option. On the calendar settings page, scroll down slowly until you see a section related to deleting or removing the calendar. The exact wording may vary slightly, but you're looking for an option labeled Delete It, or something clearly indicating you can remove the calendar. When you see that option, click on Delete. At this point, Google will usually ask you to confirm that you really want to delete the calendar. This is an important safeguard because deleting a calendar will remove the events stored in that calendar, and you may not be able to recover them later. Before you confirm, take a quick moment to make sure you've selected the correct calendar and that you don't need any of its events in the future. Once you're sure, confirm the deletion. After that, the calendar will disappear from your list on the left side of Google Calendar, and its events will no longer show in your main calendar view. And that's all there is to it. By using the 3-dot menu, opening Settings and Sharing, and choosing Delete, you can clean up your Google Calendar and keep only the calendars you actually use.